What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for your new video. Thank you all for tuning in. I know it's been a while and I have some questions to answer, stuff like that, but I did want to touch one topic. First of all, I haven't made a video in a while also because the car has been just done for like almost a month and a half, close to 2 months. The power steering was out. It's the electric power steering, so we just got it fixed and just washed her up. She was pretty neglected, pretty bad, but I did want to make a quick video real quick. A lot of questions. I've been getting a ton of questions, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on YouTube, and to be honest, guys, I haven't replied to y'all because I had quit YouTube, I had quit Instagram, so I apologize on my behalf. But y'all have questions on how to get these guys running, all right? How to get them working, and the answer to you guys is I don't know. All right, I took it to my friend and he did all the wiring. We followed the diagram and everything they provided us with, right? And it still wasn't working. I do have the premium steering wheel. I do have the premium buttons. I have the harness, everything. We just haven't been able to get it, right? So no, you don't need to do anything on ForceScan. You don't need to do any of that stuff to get it programmed. As far as we know, I've been trying to reach out to people and they're just like, follow the diagram. So I don't know if it has anything to do that this is a 2012 base V6. I know if it's a 2014, it's like a plug and play. There's not much wire. I don't even think you need a wire, stuff like that. So I honestly, guys, don't know. All right. So pretty much whatever I have the car on right now, that's the setting that I have. Whatever came off the previous car that I have right now, blue, I think it's blue LEDs and red halo, and I can't swap it. I can't get through the menu. These buttons do not work. Cruise control doesn't work. The volume doesn't work. Nothing, guys. Nothing works. I followed everything. We have followed everything. And some of you guys also have asked me, do you have to go stock and then retune if you already have it tuned on your car before you do this install? I didn't. Some people say you have to. I didn't. And everything worked fine except the steering wheel. And honestly, I don't think going to stock and then tuning the car after again has anything to do with the buttons not working. So I don't know if we just missed the thing, but I know Frank redid the process like 3-4 times and no, nothing works. So that is the predicament, guys, that I'm in. So I'm reaching out to you guys, anybody who's done this before. If you know any information on how to get the buttons to work, let me know. Let us know. We're gonna try to redo everything again. So any suggestion, guys, please help out. I just wanted to answer that question. I know, again, people have been reaching out to me and I haven't, but I just might get back on YouTube, to be honest. I might get back on social media for Instagram, and I'll talk about the topic a little later on. That is the dilemma that we're in right now. Like I said, the car was shut down. There was nothing done with the car, and I'm reaching out to you guys now for help. I know sometimes you guys look at videos looking for help, so now this is a video reaching out to you guys. If you know anybody, any information that you have, let me know. That way we can get it to work. I'll make a video on it and then we can relay it back to you guys, give you guys a proper information as well. I mean, again, I'm your guinea pig when it comes to this stuff, whether it's the good stuff, whether it's the cheap stuff. I always try to give you guys my honest opinion, my honest reviews, and that's pretty much what my channel's about, right? I'm for the people, for the Mustang community, for the V6 Mustang community. And yeah, so appreciate you guys tuning back in. I'm sorry I've been out, I've been MIA, but we might just get back into doing videos again. I kind of miss it, but we'll touch on the topic in another video. I do want to talk about why I've been out, but yeah, I'll keep it short. I know it wasn't as short as I wanted it to be, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.